Long live the Summernats, Australia's biggest celebration of horsepower. What's it like? Well, imagine this. It's 40 degrees, maybe more. The campgrounds smell like bacon and beer, amongst other things. The air is rich with petrol, sometimes methanol, always rubber. And then there's the sound. A mixture of screaming engines during the day, pounding guitars by night, and plenty of banter. Everywhere you look, something's going on. Stunning paint jobs in the elite pavilion, all vying to be grand champion. Punters on Skid Row, begging for smoke. Horsepower junkies on the dyno, these blokes love curves. And of course, the burnouts. Searing heat, through the sea of sombreros, the ultimate summer stage. This is where everyday characters can be bloody heroes. One after one they roll up, they tip it in, they tear it up. When the smoke settles, they emerge. They salute the crowd and plead, "What about me?" But most just come for the cars. All beautiful, all someone's pride and joy, labours of love after hours in the shed. Some clad with steel bumpers, others a little more modern. There's V8s, blowers, turbos, yank tanks and homegrown brands, our Australian idols. They're all here for Summernats, over 2,000 of them. Because this is one weekend in January where Canberra gets loud. And in 2020, everyone is welcome. Not just big blokes with tats or little blokes with mullets. You can bring the whole family, even your missus and your mum, because Summernats is for everyone. And in its 33rd year, the party is bigger than ever. This is summertime in Australia, and this is the Summernats!